Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Highlander. First, make sure your Highlander is in park or neutral. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. Insert your key completely into the ignition. Finally, turn the key to the start position and hold it briefly until the engine catches. It's a straightforward process to get you on the road. For Highlanders with a push-button start, the process is slightly different. Again, confirm your vehicle is in park or neutral and press the brake pedal firmly. Make sure your smart key is inside the vehicle. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button. The engine will start smoothly, getting you ready for your journey ahead. If your Highlander isn't starting, don't worry. First, check your battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. Verify you have enough fuel. If you hear a rapid clicking sound, it often points to a battery issue. These checks can help diagnose the problem. To keep your Highlander starting reliably, some maintenance tips are helpful. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for any corrosion and clean them if needed. If you have a smart key, replace its battery every 1 to 2 years. Following your Highlander's recommended service schedule is also crucial. Always refer to your owner's manual for detailed information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.